Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll be explaining what car insurance is, why it's important, how to choose the best one, and how to buy it. Let's get started. What is car insurance? Car insurance is a contract between you and an insurance company. You pay a fee called a premium, and in return, the company helps cover the cost if your car is damaged, stolen, or involved in an accident. In most U.S. states, having car insurance is required by law. If you're caught driving without it, you can face fines, license suspension, or even jail time. There are different types of coverage. Liability coverage covers damage or injury you cause to others. Collision coverage pays for damage to your car in an accident. Comprehensive coverage covers non-accident events like theft, fire, or natural disasters. Uninsured motorist coverage protects you if you're hit by someone without insurance. Why should we buy car insurance? Car insurance helps cover the cost of repairs, medical bills, and damages after an accident. Without it, you could end up paying thousands of dollars from your own pocket. It also protects you if another driver causes the accident but doesn't have insurance. Plus, in most U.S. states, it's the law. Driving without it can lead to fines or losing your license. In short, car insurance provides financial protection and peace of mind while driving. How many car insurance companies are there in the USA? There are over 100 car insurance companies in the USA. Some of the biggest and most popular ones include State Farm, Geico, Progressive, Allstate, USAA for military families. Each company offers different coverage options, prices, and customer services. It's important to compare them to find the best fit for your needs and budget. Which car insurance is best for me and why? The best car insurance for you depends on your budget, driving habits, and coverage needs. Here are a few options. Geico, known for affordable rates, especially for good drivers. State Farm, great customer service and discounts for safe drivers. Progressive, flexible options and unique discounts, especially if you've had accidents. USAA, best for military families, offering top-notch rates and services. Consider factors like coverage options, pricing, and customer reviews when choosing the best insurer for you. How can I buy car insurance? Buying car insurance is simple. Here's how. 1. Research and compare. Check out different companies and use online tools to compare quotes. 2. Get quotes. Provide details about your car and driving history to get quotes. 3. Choose coverage. Select the coverage that fits your needs and budget. 4. Sign up and pay. After choosing, you can sign up online or with an agent. Pay your premium either monthly, quarterly, or yearly. 5. Proof of insurance. After signing up, you'll get proof of insurance, which you must carry in your car. Conclusion. In conclusion, car insurance is essential for protecting yourself financially in case of accidents, theft, or damage. It's not only required by law, but also offers peace of mind while driving. With so many options available, make sure to research, compare, and select the best coverage that fits your needs.
We're going to look at today the cheapest car insurance companies, and perhaps one of these companies will be a good fit for you. But remember, your unique situation can make a difference in your auto insurance rates. And so these companies might be good for you. In fact, they're definitely worth checking out, but they might not be a good fit. And the only way to know is to do a quote comparison and see how these companies might work for you. So go to quote.com, enter your zip code into their comparison tool, and you can get several quotes from several companies and find out which one might be right for you. It's free, it's easy, no excuse not to do it. So we're going to look at quote.com and check out their cheapest car insurance companies. So the cheapest car insurance company is USAA. USAA is a great company. They tend to get really good customer satisfaction scores. consistently year after year, but they are only available to military members and their families. That's the problem. Not everybody can get USAA. So then there's Geico, and Geico is available to the general public. You don't have to be a military member. You don't have to be related to a military member. Just anybody off the street, including military members, can get a quote, can get a policy from Geico. So check them out. Then there's State Farm. State Farm is also available to the general public, and they are one of the cheapest companies around. So you can see that Geico gets the second cheapest car insurance rating, and State Farm gets the third cheapest insurance rating. So we'll have to read on to find out who the best are to round out the top 10. But let's look a little bit more at USAA, Geico, and State Farm. They are the three cheapest. Here we see a list of a comparison between top providers and how much each of them cost. So you can see that USAA starts monthly rates at $22 a month. And then Geico is $30. State Farm, $33. Travelers, $37. Progressive, $39. American Family at $43. And Nationwide at $44. Farmers Insurance, $53. Allstate, $61. And Liberty Mutual, $68. So when you're comparing the difference between USAA at $22 a month and Liberty Mutual at $68 a month, there's a big difference there. Even comparing Geico versus Liberty Mutual, you're seeing that Liberty Mutual is on average double the price. But remember, just because that's the average doesn't mean that's how it's going to be for you. So you're going to want to go to quote.com, enter your zip code, answer questions unique to you, and see how your rates compare to these national averages. And maybe one of these more expensive companies is actually the cheapest for you. There's no way to know unless you compare. So USAA, they have the cheapest car insurance specifically for military families, as I said before, unfortunately for you. So head over to quote.com, enter your zip code, compare rates, and remember, if you don't get a quote from a company in this list, you can go to their website and get a quote just specifically from that company. But starting with quote.com will help you get multiple quotes at once. So it gives you a great place to start and learn from.